Hello, today I'm going to show you how to remove and attach the surface cover at the front side of your Smart 4 II. Here we are at the surface cover. If the surface cover is not locked, it may come loose during driving and block your view or endanger other road users. There's a risk of an accident and injury. But you can see how to unlock it. Pull both levers with both index fingers in the direction into you. Pull it, then the cover is unlocked and we are going to remove it. This is really easy. Pull both levers forward and then completely out. Lift the surface cover up a little bit and you can hook the surface cover at the top rear in the opening on the vehicle. Now it's time to have some service for your liquids, your battery, etc. Yeah. Now let's reattach it. Slide the bars on the left and the right of the surface cover under the bars on the fender, and then you can see it will dock into position with all the components in it. This is the lock lever mechanism, and now let's perform this. These are the slide bars, and this on the left and the right of the surface cover will come under the bars on the fender. For this, we are going to get back it into position. So move it on the upside, then pull it down and press the surface cover down in the direction on the front side. So again, here we can see, lay it down on the top. Now press it a little bit and slide it back in position. On the right side you can see this is the unlocked version. Now you can see, now it is temporarily locked. Now slide both levers in and then push them back. Press the levers back in position and trim and allow it to engage. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.